What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, y'all?
Corey and Trish here with the Tech Couple, and today
we will be unboxing the Galaxy S9
in Midnight Black
and the Galaxy S9 Plus.
Also in Midnight Black. Now, I know you've probably seen this unboxing 55,000 times, but
you haven't seen us unbox it yet.
So let's get into it. So there's no fancy plastic unwrap, so we just went and opened it up, spread everything out. We'll kind of give you a heads up on what's inside. So of course it does come with a power adapter that is equipped for fast charging. You have a USB-C to USB-A adapter in the event that you want to charge your phone using just a standard USB cable.
Of course, this phone has not eliminated the headphone jack, so it does come equipped with some AKG headphones as well.
Heard the bass on those is really nice.
There is a USB-C to USB-A cable.
So one thing I do like is it still comes with a SIM eject tool no matter which variety of the Galaxy phone you got.
And then there's your obligatory paperwork I don't know who reads this stuff, but there's Let's Get Started, some DirecTV advertising, and your terms and conditions / health and safety information.
So obviously Sharice and I have the AT&T variants of the S9 and S9 Plus. I, of course, will be rocking the Plus, and Sharice will be
rocking the normal, the standard,
the regular,
the smaller.
So you want to do your obligatory unraveling of the plastic stuff? Yeah.
The plastic sizzle pop.
The sizzle pop.
Is there an actual word for that?
I have no idea.
Okay. Shall I?
Sure. Go ahead.
Shall I get closer for the people?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna
see who does the better pop.
Who does the better pop? Okay. Let's see.
I don't hear none.
Well, you can't hear when you're talking over it.
Ooh, you nasty.
Hold on, there's two. There's a back one. Let's see.
The back was more satisfying. You get the plus in here.
Mediocre at best.
Oh, it can wait. Don't distract the drive.
You learn from my experience.
So go and boot these up, get logged into our respective Gmail accounts, and check in a second. All right, so we've got our S9 nines plural setup, and one thing that's immediately evident is the gorgeous screen. Like, Samsung is killing the game.
Yeah, this Infinity Edge wraparound display is gorgeous. At first I was a little skeptical at how it would actually be in my hands instead of just the concept, but it feels great and it performs really well.
Yeah, colors are vibrant. It is super bright. I have no doubt that if I went outside,
it would still be
extremely bright.
Yes.
It is insanely sharp. I can't even. Nope. Can't see a pixel.
Trying to see pixels?
Nope.
Yeah, no. The pixel density is great. This thing looks awesome.
Setup was pretty straightforward. For me, it was a little lengthy, but I think that's going to pay off in the long run. Because you get all that stuff out of the way. You get your intelligent scan set up. You get logged into your Samsung and Google accounts. It pretty much gets everything that you wouldn't think about right out of the way up front.
Yeah. So it did take a little bit to get through all of that, and there were some disclosures. You know, if you're using the iris scan, make sure that you're using it at a certain distance. Don't use it on babies. Protect your eyes. You know, don't go blind using the phone for the most part.
Yeah, and some terms and conditions that I refuse to read.
Yeah.
Anyone read those?
I don't.
I assume that I should click agree, and I just agree.
Well, they make it convenient. There's like an agree to all button on every page where there's
shout out to Samsung for that agree to all. I was like,
yeah.
I could just click all.
You know we ain't reading that.
Not at all.
But yeah, after setup, the actual getting into the phone was super easy. Immediately started downloading some apps and can't wait to use some of these features. I know that you're excited about.
Yeah, I'm curious about this AR emoji thing.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious as to how it's going to compare to the Animojis on the iPhone 10 versus the AR emojis here. Trying to, you know, dance to some trap music, get some Migos. No.
I'm not judging you, babe.
I feel judged.
I'm judging you, babe.
I feel judged.
I'm judging you, babe. So yeah, initially, first impressions, solid device. I never doubted Samsung. They always put out like a really quality product.
Absolutely.
It feels good in the hand.
Yeah.
I miss plus size phone, so this is...
Yeah, I'm a little jealous that you're getting the plus experience, but even though, if you guys don't know, we are normally iPhone users, but we are throwing our SIM cards in these to make them daily drivers and get a real true experience of what a day in the life or a week or however long in the life of a Samsung user is, and I'm actually kind of excited. This camera seems like it's gonna be great. Can't wait to take some slow-mo.
Oh yeah, we got to test out the 960 frames per second slow-mo videos.
That's insane.
I don't know what we're gonna slow-mo, but we'll figure something out.
Yes, so stay tuned for more footage from us. We're definitely gonna have some camera comparisons, some videos with that slow-mo going on so you guys can see what it's like. And of course, the only way that you will know that we did any of that is if you do what?
If you manually type in the tech couple every time you want to see one of our videos.
Oh my God, who wants to do that? No, if you subscribe and then hit that bell, to turn on notifications. That way you guys will see in the upcoming days and weeks all of the amazing videos that we will have coming out about these guys here. As always,
you're a pretty lady named Sharice.
Oh, thank you, baby. You're my handsome husband named Corey.
Oh, together we make the tech couple, and
we will check you guys in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.